I believe uh last stream and many others before, you all can find them, but a couple of these pencil necks came in. Oh, CF streaming, it's time to go short. I wonder how's that working. Oh, we got one right here. Look at this. Cunt Capital. Cunt Capital. How's that short working out for you, faggot?
I tried to star 69 darkness.
Man, I guess it's Friday. Yesterday felt like Friday. So, it's kind of like having 2 Fridays in a row. How's everybody doing? Good morning. Good morning. Same trade from this morning or yesterday morning. Added a little bit. FOMO'd in a little bit more at 44.59. We are certainly approaching target, zoning target, a target. Now, feels good, man. It feels good. Feels good. And I feel like we might have a good window again here, folks. It's been a while. The last best window that we had was last year at the same time through the second week of May. From now to the second week of May, let's take a look actually, because I'm kind of talking out of my ass and half not. What day is it today? February? March 25th. March. Second half of May. Well, I guess we had things were actually really good even before then, actually. So I knew I made half that shit up. So the shit was great for a long fucking time. But as far as the trade window, man, this trade window was terrific. Now, as is tradition, you're gonna hear and see a lot of people repeating the same thing they repeated right here, 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 right here. That it's going to straight to 100K. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. Now anything's possible. Mixing geopolitical conflicts and things can get a little. You got a nice little spicy ramen noodle, and that's exactly what we're dealing with here, folks. Is that noodle? Now, when it comes to noodle, there's two kinds. There's the Italian noodle, and then there's the Japanese noodle. Italian noodle is thicker. Jap noodle, if you ever see Japanese make noodle, it is a masterpiece. They go. The guy's like 10 feet away from his noodle machine, and he's performing acrobatics like a stripper does with those fucking silk things, those women acrobatic classes. Now I reckon there's gonna be both types of noodle. This one's a little more Italian coming up here. It's gonna be a little more Italian. Damn, so this is pretty good. This is gonna put me at little over 300K over the last however many days, four days maybe. That's all right. You know, we ain't really ham hawking like we used to. But this is good enough. I don't think there's really like a difference in viewers or wow factor but the difference between 3 million, 5 million, 10 million, 20 million. No, I don't think there's really a difference. And you know, I am a much busier man, so to speak. I am more diversified, starting a new business, another new business of completely different from this realm. And so, you know, as much as I say, yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay, I wish I was trading with $10-20 million trades again. You know, maybe I will. It's that kind of a window coming up. But it just takes a different type of focused energy. And with this amount, it's really, I really don't have to sweat it. I can forget it. And as it comes, there's a reason why they say 1% of your net worth, 1% of the money you have is a good amount to trade with, because it's about your mental psyche, your energy, risk. I've broken my records, and you know what? You know what I'm thinking? I think that I actually not only it's not that I just had the most profit ever live streamed, the biggest loss ever live streamed. I've had the most profits live streamed and the most losses ever live streamed. It's not just the biggest amount. No one else has been doing this for 5-6 years. There can't be anyone else. So I'm pretty sure we can say I got the biggest win, biggest loss, and I got the most wins and most losses ever live streamed in the world, eternity, in fucking crypto live streaming. That's pretty cool. Let me do a sound check here because the music's blasting in my ear. Let me do a sound check here. Yeah, we got some coupons. We got some coupons. Man, I love you too, man. You guys are sick, man. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. You guys are, I appreciate it. Cannot thank you enough. Cannot thank you enough. This microphone sounds horrible. Wow. No wonder you guys say that. Jeez. You know, I should try hooking up one of my... Um, this sounds terrible. Let me grab one of the other headsets and see if it'll work. Alright, we're gonna go dark and gonna go mute. I'm gonna switch these headsets, so hopefully I don't blow your ears out. So it's gonna go dark and mute. Testing 1 2 1 2. Let's see how this sounds. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. All right. I think the quality's better. This ain't gonna work. We're gonna struggle. We're struggling with the music here. What do we want to listen to? Anywho. Testing 1 2 1 2. Anywho. What do we want to listen to? Oh Jesus! All my wires are fucking grinding on everything. All right. Anyways, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Mm. You know, what can I say? We've just been macro. We've been Italian noodle, with a little bit of Japanese noodle inside. We shaved a little profit, but uh so back to the thesis. I remember where we were talking about May. So we have the little assumption, look at the past, and we just kind of assume that, we have a little wave like this, maybe something like that. And then when you measure it, you see, I mean, that's all the way to July. Now that's just my assumption of what it could look like. Obviously, we'll assess the situation when it gets there. As it plays out, we'll know more. But this is a very, very clean, basic strategy build up for on a larger time frame. This is a very nice setup. Now, that doesn't mean that we can't, after coming up, boom, come break that back down and even come down more like in the past. Like this one. This one was not as pretty. This one is much prettier. This one's very pretty. Very pretty. Look at all these little trigger waves we have, little trigger confirmation. We have little happy trigger waves, little two eyes and a little smiley face. Happy trigger. Got a three-eyed Cerberus dog. Right there. Did we have a Cerberus dog on the other ones? This one, yes. That kept on going. This one, no. This had a good rise up to a deeper hell. There's only so much we can draw from the past. It doesn't matter what month it is. It doesn't matter, Mike's skipping my voice. Okay, let me, okay, that should be better. And listen, even before we should even care about this, it's a terrific time to assess your plan. My plan. Here's my thoughts in my plan. I've already gone over it, but I'm going to go over it again just in case anyone's new and they want to know. I'm not telling you what to do. Your life is different than mine. Your goals are different than mine. But what I'm thinking, if I was thinking, I would say, well, either this is a bottom right? Or where we're basically this is a bottom where we're at right now, basically. For long term, either this is the bottom, or this is the bottom, or zero. So how much do I want to calculate? And if it goes to zero, I lose it all. Can I afford it? So I would say, okay, how much do I want to buy right here that I can wait if it comes down to here? And hopefully it doesn't come down to here. But if it does, shit happens. MCI, Enron, MCI, WorldCom, Investco, that shit happens all the time. Big companies, big assets, they go from way up here to way down here. Anyway, so so yes, my initial instinct is, I would imagine the probabilities are sell in May. But I'm not setting limit entries for in May today. It could be May stay. Stay in May. This May, we stay. Last May, we walked away. This May, we stay. Now we look at last May. This is last May. Right here. Here, let's do this. This is March to May. Well, actually, we can actually go back further, fucking, since we're not there yet. We'll say, okay, January 30th. Let's see when's January 30th. We were in the green already last year. Thick in the green. We're playing ball. Money flow. The money flow was already diverging. Here, the money flow is not diverging downwards from price. It is increasing. It's the opposite. It's the opposite. Now, what do y'all have to think about that? Pencil neck NFT update. They are being worked on, brother. I have to I'll hit him up actually today and see how everything's looking. Oh yeah, coupon code. I believe our coupon code from yesterday is still active, which was I believe Wake in trade 20. Maybe Flop and Groper can check on that. It was Wake in trade 20. 20% off. It could still be active. Are we gonna do our NFT on Ethereum or Cardano? Bro, I don't want my NFT to die as soon as it's born. Of course I'm not gonna do it on Cardano. Might as well just throw it in the trash. At least a bum might find it. I'd rather throw it all in the trash than put it on Cardano. There is no one knows how to, there's nothing. When people first learn about crypto, it's Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have never heard anyone at any casino dinner say, I got an NFT on shit or Cardano. We can mint our NFTs everywhere. You know why? Because because our pencil neck NFTs come with no fucking promises. We're not promising anything, just what it is. No, well, actually, it's and I'm not saying that we're not going to be doing nothing. But listen, our NFT team is super motivated. They want to do comics. They want to do all kinds of shit. Like these NFTs, well, the one NFT, man, I mean, they're doing comics. I'm getting tokens for future comics and movies and red carpet events and worldwide events. I'm like, you guys haven't even done the first fucking thing yet. I'm getting tokens on things 20 years in the future. Promises. So I just got confirmation that Wake and Trade 20 is still active. %20 off. Market Cipher. Is our new merch website up yet? No. Hopefully the new merch website goes online. I wanted that shit to be online last week. Hopefully it goes online this fucking weekend. We need to do a major markdown. This 25%. Don't buy this merch until we're gonna do final blowout sale, like 50-60% off whatever's left, and switch to the new merch. The quality of the stuff is great. It's just way too fucking small. It's unisex. It's not what we wanted. The mugs are the best goddamn thing money can buy. The mugs are amazing. We're gonna try to keep our mug connection. Yeah, we don't need to wait on sample. We're not waiting on samples. Let's push it forward because we know no matter what it is, it's gonna be better clothing, an actual fit. You don't have to order 2 sizes up and then have a tight pencil neck. These sweatshirts were made for fucking pencil necks. I have an extra large sweatshirt. I can't even fit my neck through it. I don't drink my coffee without it in an amazing mug. Right on. I would like to do something special for everyone who bought some merch from us from our very first merch. You know, it was the first time we tried, went through a bunch of shit, companies and shit. And there is something I want to do special. Maybe I'll like whitelist the pencil neck turkey NFTs to whoever bought merch first or something. I'm not saying that's what I'm gonna do, but I want to do something for people that bought merch because um they look great, they fit great
All right.
when they're brand new.
We got it figured out. I said I'd figure it out.
Now we are heading into the weekend. Every every single day for the past 4 or 5 days, pencil necks have been. I said, "Why aren't you taking profits? You're gonna lose. I'm going short. CF's long. I'm going short." I have taken profits. I'm up $330,000. With if I close this, it would be I'm up like 230 grand as is, including this 20. But if we add this is 97 plus 30, 130. We're up like 340, 350 or something if I was to close these two unrealized. So, motherfucker, don't tell me about closing profits and closing trades. You know why I don't care? Because this is small potatoes to what we used to do, bro. I think about it all the time when I'm sitting here. I'm like, man, if this was a $10 million trade like the old days, two $10 million trades, this would be 3x. This would be 300K. This is a 400,000. This would be 20 times more. This would be 400 grand. God damn, what am I thinking? You secretly enjoy pencil necking time to time? That's funny, bro. Now, things still look a little choppy here on the hourly and the slightly lower time frames. Ugh. And typically, correct me if I'm wrong, but I do not think I am, for probably at least the past 2 months. Pretty sure the last 2 months, the weekend does the opposite of the weekday. Weekday. If price goes up overall, weekend price goes down. And then it reverses on Monday morning. If price goes down on weekday, it goes up on weekend and reverses back on Monday. Am I right, or what do you guys think? Would you agree in that assessment? I have to picture myself as if this is a $10 million trade, and would I take profit? If this was 300K, you bet your fucking ass I'd be up 600 grand. Yeah, I would take profit on that. I'd be going for $1 million. So I would be taking profit on this trade. If I had to pay rent, I would absolutely be closing this fucking trade. Charlie. Better to sneak out some limits while I can. Because we are approaching the force field of our spider line. But man, the macro, it's got more to go. And so we can slice a little off the pig. We don't got to do it all. But I can limit out a little bit. It's the right thing to do. I'm crashing the market, folks. We're crashing the market. Yes, the late Sunday entries, early Monday have been terrific. I'm pretty sure last couple trades where we've exited, we've got out pretty much at the top. Looks like we just did it again. A little goes a long way. These pencil necks think a few 100,000 here and there, a couple million leverage don't do much. It does. It makes a big fucking difference. There's not many people with swinging dicks like us. Goldman Sachs and institutions, they don't trade on here. They go OTC. But we ain't OTC. Yo, shout out to Lord Cyborg. We are fucking vibing right now. We got the music situation handled. The vibe is checked off, baby.
Staying out for days on end.
We're gonna lift our orders off the book, see if it maybe helps with a little bit of knife. See if we can slide in. So it's got a knife down. We'll see if it comes down. As soon as it shoots back up, see if we can sneak one right there before. There it is. There we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Staying out for days on end.
Might have a for the flop and grope and pencil necks, we do have a slight beginning of a potential divergence, momentum to the downside on the micro time frames. But on the icro time frames, she could have another little push. We'll sneak a few limits out again here.
Oh man, it's all crashing. We should have got everything. Oh fuck, man. That's it, man. Game over, man. It's over. It's over, man.
Oh, you know what? Someone asked me to look at Ripple before the stream, and I forgot to. Hey, baby, here we go, baby. What did I tell you? Baby, let's go. Let's see if we can sneak a few small limits. We don't want to overload the books, but I want to get a little of it. Maybe if we can catch a 45.90, but we'll do 45.07. There it is, boys.
There it is, boys. What did I tell you? What did I tell you, boy? What did I tell you? What did I tell you, boy?
Boy, I tell you what. Where's those pencil necks from the last 3 streams talking about CF goes live long, you got a short? They're down 3-4 in a row. They got a turkey. That's a turkey. A bad turkey. Anyways, Ripple. We'll take a look. Because I said I would. Let's look at the daily first. Ripple on the daily. This looks terrible. This is going straight down to hell. This doesn't look good at all. You got the money flow coming up, momentum just like Bitcoin. You can't send Bitcoin. It's going straight down. All the signs are there. Money coming in, momentum going up, RSIs, it's going down. Just kidding. It looks like everything else. It's all in the same boat. Have you ever been to a steel factory? Apparently ripples are good luck word for the day, because every time I think about it, the price keeps going up, baby. He's good, Dan. Thanks for asking. What's up, Nessa? Why don't I trade options, bro? Because I'm normally not awake during those times. And I make millions, hundreds of thousands trading Bitcoin and Ethereum on a consistent daily basis. 24/7.
Jesus Christ. They fucking ate that order dollar by dollar. That was a 45K order. They literally, that we had to her 45 swooshes. Jesus Christ, let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. Fuck, we shouldn't have taken profits. The official DJ of Crypto Face Market Cipher Community, Lord Cyborg. Now, since we put all these limit orders on the book, it's going to suppress it. So I put these on the book. At the right time, I'm going to lift them off. It'll create a little bit of ease of pressure, and then we'll sneak them in. In 5 or 6 minutes, we'll release these off the book and let it come back up. a nice little juggle right there, boys. I'm telling you, we're juggling like a jester. You can call me a clown cause we laughing to the bank. Dank. PU, you smell that? There's some pencil necks quiet in the chat, and they stank. We can smell you. We can smell that pussy from here. I can smell your pussy from here. Need to get some coochie clean. Go to the store and get you some coochie clean. This stream is brought to you by Coochie Clean. Some of y'all need that. He's doing good. He popped his head in here a couple weeks ago. You know, the kid, he's doing good. He popped his head in a couple weeks ago. Crypto Kid is. $1 million trades. Shitty Mike. Listen, bro. We ain't try hard. We don't need dick sucking thumbnails. I don't need a big fuzzy dick microphone in my face. Do you? Do you? Just because you want to have a dick in your face doesn't mean everybody else wants to, bro. I'm just a fucking guy showing my shit. I'm not some fucking view whore monetizing. Please like me. Please comment. In fact, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yes, 45. It is the target. That's why we see me be taking heavy profits. We've taken damn near half the trade out on Bitcoin. It's Friday, going into the weekend. If you're just joining us and you missed everything earlier in the stream, the daily looking great, macro looking great. The last 2 months, from my observation, the weekends have been doing overall the opposite of the weekday, whether it's been up then it goes down or it's down and it goes up. We have nailed our target since part 1 of our series, all the way up for the past few days. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. This is, we're going to be over 350,000 total in the past 3-4 days. You know, playing it like a fiddle, taking what the market's given us. We're taking what the market's given us and playing it like a fiddle.
That's where the party's at, and you'll find out if you do that.
Thank you, Michael. I appreciate that. Yeah, listen. This is still in the green. It's ranging. I'm telling you, I think the spider line is it. I think this is what we're gonna see. It now, if there's, there might be. What time is it? The markets are open. The markets are open. So if there's a lucky wick that comes up, great. But I think this is it, guys. I think where we're at right here, this is it for today. It's time to take profits. If it ends up going up $1,000 more, we don't give a shit. Maybe we'll get back in. But right now, we got fatty fucking profits. We're taking them. We've limited it out literally at the fucking top. We're splashing in our pool. Right now, we the kitty in the pool. It's our kitty, our pool. And we dictate the splashes. We were looking for one more nice pump right here, one more move back up to liquidate, limit out a good amount. We'll see how much, maybe we'll see what's left. It's in the green. I don't imagine it's done yet. And so we've closed half our trade here. We're still streaming because the fun ain't done. We're having too much fun. We're having fun. Are you not entertained? What about oil, brother? Oil's 110, looking fine to me. Looking fine to me. Little momentum pullback here on the hour. Oil is in a bull run. Oil in a bull run, right? So this could be cooling off a little bit. Hell, it might come back to 100. I don't think so, but it could. Like I said, oil is going to be moving like crypto right now. So right now it's going to have a little probably a little cool off. When would this be? End of March, April. What is that? 4 or 5 days. So we might see oil cool off a little bit, and then this puppy pick back up. So. You know, you'd think so. You'd think so about them metals, bro, but it's the paper that holds it back. It's the bank positions that hold gold, palladium, back, profit taker. I hear you, man. The price of gold, platinum, platinum should all be 3-4 times higher than what they are. But the paper, the same three institutions, real institutions, is actual institutions, are 78% of the 78% of the cells. There's not enough money to buy up the price of gold, even when it's sold out and there's Vietnamese, there's Viet Cong in lines out the door. Wonder when if that's ever gonna break. Folks, I mean, look at that. Look at that target hit, man. Right in the force field. Play around with the candles. It's here nor there. Here nor there. Here nor there. Oh. Oh. Wow, look at that trigger wave right there. Look how tight that was pre-mortem. Leading. This is a leading indication. Tight whammo. This is why. One of the reasons why market cipher trumps all for many. Do I think banks will eventually bank the institution paper could hold the price of Bitcoin down from paper eventually? Absolutely. Absolutely. Are we there yet? Absolutely not. But you know, Bitcoin and gold and metals are two different things. Two totally different things. I know everyone loves to compare the two, but they are two totally different things. I think the debates about what's better, gold versus Bitcoin, is totally stupid. Two totally different things. No, I don't use the Dixie. I mean, it's other people do. I don't use a lot of shit. You know, I'm a simple man. If I believe in keeping it simple, the less you use to get shit working, the better. You know, Damn. So, Cyborg going hard at the beginning of this mix. We missed this. I need more coffee. I'm out of coffee. Looks like we've got another push. Another push, folks. Let me get some coffee and we'll analyze, materialize, and see what happens. Okay, coffee's brewing. Man, she's still thick. She's got room. I'm telling you. We have maybe a little time left. We've got a little bit of time. What are the larger time frames looking like? Most likely, guys, I think this is it for the day. So we're gonna try to take our blessing. I think we're gonna get out of this and maybe leave a little bit in there, but I think it's time. While we can, still can. We'll see. I don't know if there should be a little juice to get these limits, but I might just have to push a turd out here and just dump it. You know? Here we go. Here's a knife. Here's a knife. There we go. Look at that nice, beautiful, thin knife. About to get eaten up by this 3-4 mil. This is going to be a good one. Let's see if we can get that down here too. Hopefully this pushes through. Come on. Come on now. This should be an easy one. Come on, eat it up. Atta girl. Oh. Come on, be a good girl. Damn it. Smack them. We had to smack them real quick with that market because they disobeyed. You disobeyed, bitch. How you like that? Just kidding.
got my coffee. Got my coffee. What's the difference between gold and Bitcoin, you ask? Well, you can't. You can't. You ever seen a steel plant? You can't you can't cook Bitcoin. You don't have to put Bitcoin on a horse and trolley across the country. They don't launch Bitcoin into space. Asking the difference between Bitcoin and gold is like you ever seen the jam or jelly? What's the difference between jam or jelly? You don't jelly a spoon up your ass, but Bitcoin. Yeah, folks, we are living out the right. You know, listen, we got out at the tippy top, and we it's like we were heel toe drifting, man. I'm telling you, your boy knows how to. It's like we're going down Japanese hills right now, drifting them Hyundais. We're fucking noodling. We're Jap noodling. It's a mix between Memphis fly fishing and Japanese noodle art.
Oh, whoops, that was market. What the fuck? Oh, no, damn it. Oh, well, fuck. Fuck. Damn. Damn. Did not mean to do that. Fuck, man. Fuck, we just marketed 600, damn near 700,000. That just, it's probably a good thing. It's all, this is really I was gonna take more out. I didn't mean to market exit 659,000. That was, oh well. What are we gonna do? Cry about it? I thought I was limiting out that 40. I thought we were doing 45,000, but this is exactly where I wanted to take a few more, but I didn't want to do 600,000 market order. I wanted to keep limiting, but that's all right. Shit. What the fuck are you, man? Don't ask me for it's a short, man. Man, if you have to ask me if you have to ask me, then it ain't safe. A trade should speak to you and say, there's no way that you can miss out on this opportunity. Man, you're just throwing shit in the wind, bro. Like, you gotta wait for, if it's confirmed, then go for it, bro. But if you asking me, man, you asking the wrong man. Damn, we still had a little bit of beef in here we could have maybe sliced, but it's okay. It's all right. I'm more disappointed because I don't want the stream to end so fast. We were having fun. I wanted it to last forever. Nothing lasts forever. Ooh. Right on, brother. Glad you had a good time. Fun time. Damn, I did not want to. I did not want to do that market order for 659,000. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. Son of a gun.
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. I figured we should too.
Well, technically, we still have 650,000 on the board. You know, so you know, we've locked in 111 plus 4. We've locked in 115,000 in this stream and previous stream combined, plus 220 from the 2 or 3 before that. That's 335 plus 25 plus 11. Oh, fuck it, who's counting?
We should too. If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. We should too.
Yeah, man. I think we played the fiddle as good as we could. I think this is the top for the day overall. Again, there might be a wick or two, but I think this is it, folks. Seeing a few very extremely early signs, really too early signs to completely tell, but I mean, listen, don't shun the 1 minute and I mean, you squish it, you see, look, boom, you can't knock it because boom, boom, that was the whole move. Now it's diverging down. Folks, I think this is it. I think this is it. And it's called a trade. Call it in. Oh, wait. Call it in, boys.
Welly, welly, well.
Thank you, and thank you for the kind words. Appreciate y'all. I can't be squishy enough, can't be lovey-dovey enough. I appreciate y'all. You know, I always say we are the world record holders. Most profits ever made live stream. Most losses ever shown live stream. Biggest profit ever made live stream. Biggest loss ever shown live stream. We. all sizes. Wow. Different strokes, different folks. See if we got any new testimonials here. Use some pounds to realize my dream car. Nice, bro. Cool. Cool looking car right there. That's a nice looking car right there. For you. This is some real shit this guy's saying right here. It's a little off, but that's okay. First taste, third trade, man, it's crazy. It's sometimes I can't even believe it myself, man. Whenever I see people in person, they're like, "Man, thank you." I mean, I'm like, I always ask them, like, "Are you being honest?" You know, it's crazy, man. Man, we are very lucky.
Staying out for days on end.
People talking about their own strategies, which is exactly this is exactly why we talk about basic strategy, and then you learn it, and then you got to figure some shit out yourself and what works for you. At the end of the day, it's dots, lines, and waves and shit. Just look at the price, look at the waves, look at history, and man, way to go, guys. Way to go. All right, folks. Till next time.